Hello, I'm Huston. Today we're making food, guys. It's gonna be some food. And we're making this. Okay, yeah, we're gonna bake it.
Oh, that's really dangerous. Where did that come from? What? Okay, I go away with this one.
Making food with Huston.
And I am.
And we're making food in the kitchen from my YouTube channel. We're making food. Making food with Huston.
Okay, what's happening? Are you dancing?
Yes.
Okay, what we making today? We making cookies?
Yes, cookie. Many cookie.
Many cookies, yes. Okay.
Cookie.
What have we? Oh, we have a bunker. Oh, that's great. Mug. We need that.
Yes. Food, oil. Yogurt.
Hey, you're not supposed to use mott.
Need some ketchup for this. Cheese. Hey, where's that knife?
How much do you need, man? You have to, and you cannot.
200.
You cannot take the hand on it.
200
It will be
grams.
contaminated. You have to do like this. It's so cold. Okay, we make half, so we only make 100.
5 decibels.
Yes.
Why is there macaroni here?
I don't know. Hey guy, what are you doing here? Okay, but remember, it's only half, man. Half.
Can I try?
Yes, you can try. Remember, only half. Hey guy, I heard
Guy macaron.
the camera is there. Yes.
Macaron.
Yes. Actually good. Yes, take a mott.
Okay, now we're gonna add some sugar, guys. We're gonna add this guy of sugar. How do you open it?
How much sugar was we supposed to have?
This many.
Oh, it's a half deciliter. It's going great. No, it stopped. It's only a half minute. Now we put in like one.
Yes, I have.
Yes, you have a half on the floor and a half on the in. Yes. Oh, you can't even see it. It's so good.
mix it. Mix what? The syrup? Okay, syrup.
No, it says we should blend with the hands. Oh man, we forgot to wash your hands. No, it's too late.
Remember, kids,
It's too
wash
late.
your hands.
It's too late. Yes, you should always wash your hands first, right? Yes,
Oh, you paper. 20. Really?
I don't know, it looks like 28, 12. Make like holes. You forgot the holes, man.
Oh, holes.
Yes, you make the holes and then you put in the soup. Yes, like that. Very good. Bit too much. Okay, the last one. Half t-shirt in it. What do you think will happen when we put it in the oven?
It will go great.
Will it go great? You happy with that?
No.
What's not?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
I need to show you guys.
Oh,
Look what we made, guys.
yes.
Look, there's some hair here too.
Yes. Okay, you can put it in and close it up. How much time will it take? Yes, watch out for the oven so you don't burn yourself. Okay, how much time does it say?
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Now we do the last part, the dishing. How do you dish? Now you show us, Huston. Yes, that's enough. Stop it. It's too much. No. The wood. Okay, Huston. What did you think about the cooking?
It was great.
It went as planned?
Yes, and completely as planned.
No problem?
What?
It was no problem?
Yes.
It finished?
I think so.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay. You have to say bye for your show.
Bye.
Får jag komma in bara och byta några ord?
Hey Huston, you forgot your cookies.
Hey, Huston, my cookie. Okay, I go get my cookie, guys. Wait, I need my spice. Oh, it looks great. Cooking with Huston. Yeah.
Put the underleg on the so we don't burn the table. Okay, Huston. First movie. You happy with the result?
Yes, so happy. Just look at this beautiful
Did it
cookies.
turn out as you expected it to be?
Yes, it did.
Yes, okay. Okay. Now you say your catchphrase.
Waffle out, bitches.